Okay, I love dogs. There's no reason to say otherwise. They're just amazing things, and I think they're gods actually. But anyway, the idea came about, and it's always something that amazes me about pugs. The face looks like I don't know, it looks like an East End gangster type thug, and there's this expression, a thug's life. And I was just thinking, wouldn't it be funny if this like dog had this kind of expression on his face, like he was just like bemused by the idea that he was being looked at in a kind of thuggish kind of way, and what would make it more humorous would be him to looking dazed and everything, but having these dealy boppers on top of his head to make him more comical and everything. So that's where it came out. The idea, it's a thug's life, so it's a pug's life. Okay.